Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to save a project from Binance as a PDF, then this video is for you. First, you have to simply click on save. After that, you have simply click a motherboard here and name. Now simply click on save. And you have to simply click on share with me here, or you can just copy the link of the project here. After copying the link, you can go to the lasso.ink. So from here you have to simply click on convert a project instead. Now log into your account using your Google account, or you can go with your email address or a custom password. So I'm going to sign in with my email account here. Now continue. And from here you can find the Behance profile to PDF or Behance project to PDF. You have to simply click on it. Now from here you have to add that link that you have just copied of that project. Now simply click on convert and download. So you have to wait until it convert this project to PDF and it's ready to it's prepared to download. And whenever it's prepared to download, you can find the download is started here, and you have to wait until it download the PDF file. So then you can actually access this Behance project as a PDF file. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.